Kool-Aid refresher. There's Kool-Aid refresher. Oh, my face is so oily. I made a couple of clips of you flossing. You try Kool-Aid? I tried it once. It's alright. Okay, let's see. Daily menu. I want to find out why it's a meme. It's a meme. Is it actual? Today is Friday.
Yes. I was just coming to see if you found the menu okay.
Oh yeah, I might. Do you have anything to recommend? Like
Honestly, the most popular things we have is probably like, apart from like jerk chicken, which is very like common kinda. The curry goat is my most popular thing. It's kind of spicy though.
Okay.
And then there's the oxtail as well. It's probably my second most popular thing.
Okay.
Yeah. And those come with rice and peas and a serving of steamed veg. But you can get plain rice if you'd like as well.
Ah. So how big is the portions, like the small?
Honestly, for the small, it's kind of hard because it's like weird. But like, say for instance, you got a small oxtail. I'd probably give you like 2 oxtail pieces, probably about this size.
Okay.
With about 2 scoops of rice. The plate looks about this big.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I want to try like a few different things, I should order like a few small, right?
Probably, yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Do you still need a second to look through?
I think I'll get like a small curry goat and a small oxtail.
Small curry goat, small oxtail. Sounds good. Anything to drink for you?
Just water.
Just water?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Thank you. Oxtail. Oh, hi Taylor. Hi Michelle and Mason. Hi. Kool-Aid. You guys all like Kool-Aid? The food sounds interesting. It is. There's a lot of done to order. What's that? Fish fillet, red sniper, extra servings of rice. There's vegetable stew, salt fish, beef soup, jerk chicken, vegetable stew. Every day they have a different thing. It looks amazing on Google Images. I wonder what the ice cream cake, sweet potato pudding. What's sweet potato pudding? Is that Jamaican? When Taylor in chat, I read his message in his voice in my head since I know what he sounds like. Hey, you know what? Taylor is one of those people that don't have internal monologue. Go, guys. He's one of those. He's one of those. He has no internal monologue. When I found out, I went like, what? Putting Taylor on the spot again. Sweet potato pudding. What is this craziness? You're kidding me? I'm not kidding you. He does not have. Ask him. He has no internal monologue. Thank you. Is Taylor still here? I didn't even know that was a thing. I thought everyone had it. I know. I didn't know it was either. Oh, sweet potato pudding is a Jamaican food. We're gonna get that. We're gonna look at this full photo. Sweet potato pudding. Why is Chris Pratt voice acting the new Mario being memed? I don't know why. Is it that funny? I don't know. Is it that funny? Does he not sound like me? Isn't the new Mario movie has a lot of epic movie people in there? What did I order? I ordered oxtail and curry goat. Also, Pickles is surprised that you don't have an internal monologue because I told him. It's curry goat, like greatest of all time curry. Oh my god, curry gold. It's both. We're eating Steph Curry for dinner. Oh my god. My hair is such a mess.